Hello guys, this is 80s Tech World back with another video of unboxing. So guys, today I have something interesting and new for you. So this is the Vision Drone.I camera drone. I think it's a very cheap drone and with the camera. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's unbox it. So guys, I think the drone is packaged well in this box. So here is the Vision drone. Here are the protective propellers and here is the transmitter. What's inside this? This is the landing skid and all, the screwdriver. Here is the camera. So guys, let's see inside what else is there. Guys, we have 4x propellers, backup propellers. Here is the charging adapter for our drone battery. It is for the setting mobile. So guys, here is the user manual. I will say you please, and I will strongly recommend you to please read this manual before operating this drone and flying this drone. Okay, so for more information you can read this manual. So guys, here is the app XSWFO for operating this drone. You can operate it from our Android device also, you can see here. Okay, so I will show you in this video. So guys, let's keep these things aside and talk about the drone. So guys, here is a Vision drone. So guys, before flying we have to fix the 4 landing skids so that we can fly safely. So guys, let's extrude them now. So guys, now we have fixed all the landing skids on its proper place, and now we have to fix these protective gears for our propellers. So guys, now we are done with all the fixing and all of this drone. So let's take our camera and fix it. So guys, here is the camera. Let's fix it. So guys, I have fixed the camera, so let's switch on this drone. So guys, it's switched on and you can see the camera, it is 90 degree. It is rotatable, 90 degree, you can rotate it 90 degree. Okay. So now let's talk about the transmitter and our phone. So guys, here is the transmitter and it has many features in it. So guys, for its features you can read the user manual. So guys, for the more features you can read the user manual.
Invincible.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go. for them to see.